In this tutorial, I will be showing you 2 ways to unlink audio from your video. Welcome to Graded Picture Playground, a channel where tips and tricks of video editing and filmmaking videos are uploaded weekly. I am Valentine Ose. If this is your first time on this channel, please click on subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when new video is uploaded. I already have my clips in the project bin. To use the source monitor to unlink audio from video is just to click on any of the video. I double click on it. It will display on the source monitor. I will make a separate video to explain what the source monitor does and how it can also help you while editing. This is the clip. When I scroll through, you see everything as it is. If I want to take a particular spot, let's say I don't want the audio from this spot. By the time I take my timeline slider to that spot, I just click on the keyboard shortcut I to set an in point. I is to set an in point. Then O to set an out point. When you set that out point, you see there are 2 icons here. This is for the video only, and this by it is for the audio only. So if I want to pick just the audio into my timeline, this is the only icon I bring down, which is suitable. Maybe you recorded your voice over with your mobile phone in video mode and you don't want that video, you just want the audio. This is how you can just bring in the audio alone on your timeline. If I want to pick this video, which is unlinking a video, it's just for me to pick this video icon and it brings it. This is not the entire clip of the video that is on the timeline. It is what I have set in. The in and out point is what I just have to pick it and place on the timeline. That is one. The other way, which is common, is coming by dropping your clip on the timeline, the exact clip that you want to unlink. Then you right click, you scroll up to where you see this unlink and you click on it. It unlinks it and you click on the audio to highlight it and delete. So you've unlinked the audio. So these are the 2 ways to unlink audio from your video clip. And why is it important to unlink audio? In most cases, you probably want just the video to have a visual interpretation of maybe your voice over. So that is why you sometimes unlink, or maybe you have a very bad audio that is recorded on that clip, or maybe you're creating an advert video that doesn't need the audio that you recorded. That is why it's important to unlink your audio from your video file. I hope you have learned something about unlinking video in Premiere Pro CC. If this is your first time on this channel, all you need to do is click on the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell to get notified when a video is uploaded. See you next time.